Model, 68-plate Ford Transit Connect 210L2 diesel 1.5 EcoBlue 100ps Trend van long wheelbase, Euro 6 low miles bargain spares OR repairs. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 59,308. MOT, the 15th of December 2024. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 100 PSS6IA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine is partially dismantled, parts dismantled at back of the van. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,795. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.